She's under quarantine.
Yeah, why are you under quarantine?
Why is she under quarantine? Did you wear tested?
What?
Were you tested?
Why are you not under quarantine? You went everywhere.
This is quarantine.
Why? Yeah, this is quarantine.
This is how the blockchain.
And
This is how
not a
the
good idea.
blockchain
Let's
industry
go.
basically crumbles.
First, if you would like to introduce yourselves, just brief description of what you do in the industry and who you are.
Okay.
Go
You want to start?
Oh, I start again. Yeah, I'm Amadeo Brandt. I just did an interview already. But okay, yeah, I'm a blockchain developer and I do token economics and some blockchain development. And I run a company in Hong Kong and I'm part of a non-profit foundation, Blockdevs, in the Philippines.
Alright, so my name is Peter A. I'm the founder of BlockchainSpace, which is a community platform here in the Philippines advocating education of blockchain. I also run a consultancy called Blockchain Advisory Asia, which helps enterprise clients to basically build development POCs around this new exciting technology.
My turn.
Go.
Hi, I'm Elena Don. I'm
Like
a
your last
project
name?
manager. Elena Don Pantay. It's like it's not your last name. Well, Elena Don. You can call me Elena Don. So I worked as a project manager for a blockchain company and then a chief marketing officer for a tech company. But basically, I'm still the brand ambassador for Coding Girls, and previously we have led the blockchain events for college students to introduce them to blockchain education.
What do I do?
What did you do?
What haven't you done?
What happened
have
to
you done?
What have we done?
Alright, so usually I'm like a blockchain solutions architect, CTO of a blockchain company or startup. Pretty much it. Was that the whole question?
Pretty much worked
Yeah.
for the largest blockchain company
We're
here in the
just-
Philippines.
Well, no, not anymore.
Bombers.
Well, I used to.
Yeah. And like we run Blockdevs Asia with Amadeo here.
So, what was your first ever job?
I was a technical delivery manager for a private equity firm and I was checking different tech concepts and investing.
I was a paper boy.
Oh wow.
I mean, like, are we
Yeah,
counting
like-
that?
But it's like, how far do I need to go back? Like my first job after
First
college
ever
or?
job.
Oh, my first ever.
Oh, it was also a paper job when I first job.
Oh.
Yeah.
Really?
Well, first job when I was
Yeah.
like
I don't think people
What
deliver
What do you
papers
consider
anymore.
as a first job? Internship or
Like
first
paid.
job?
Where you-
official
You
job.
got
or-
paid to.
Brand manager.
Oh, then I was
Yeah.
first time I got paid was washing in the car with my dad. Like, it's like I didn't think that.
Well,
Oh.
getting
Yeah.
paid tutoring mathematics to other engineering
Really?
students. Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
That was
Wow.
yours?
Yeah, that was my job.
Wow.
The first thing I got paid for, made this app that generated homework
Wow.
that escaped
Oh
plagiarism
wow.
from prompts. That's how I earned money in college.
Right? And it's cool. You just scam your way through it.
Yeah.
Okay, how would you
In the
explain
Philippines.
your job to a 5-year-old kid?
Oh my god.
Ooh, I tell people what to do. That's it. That's how I would describe my job to a
Okay.
5-year-old kid.
How would you describe your job to a 5-year-old kid?
How do I describe it? I build cool stuff that is free to run. That's it.
Yeah.
And free to use.
I don't understand this.
I don't understand it. I just build free stuff.
Yeah, build
Okay.
free stuff. Okay.
Cool.
Peter, what do you do? How do you explain it to a 5-year-old?
Oh my gosh.
He gets all of us on this recording.
Yeah.
We don't want- He tells us
Want
we're
to be here.
He tells us we're gonna have a beer, and then
But then there's no beer.
We have a beer, guys, and then he traps us in a
So-
recording studio.
with her, who just came from 5 airports.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's like coronavirus, like activated.
Spray this on yourself.
So I obviously mislead people by
Wow.
telling people that they should come have a drink, where actually I mean you should come and get interviewed.
Fair enough.
Okay, biggest inspiration when it comes to work or business? Who or what is your biggest inspiration? Wow.
Bill Gates, because he's rich.
Yeah. My biggest is Elon Musk.
Oh yeah, he is.
Because he's rich.
Because he's rich and smart.
Rich and smart.
And smart, yeah. This guy basically built PayPal, then this gets bored, starts to build his
Why is it
electric
always
cars,
a
and then
fool?
starts shooting
Why not
rockets
a
into
lot?
space. I think it's pretty cool.
Can mine be my dad?
Yeah.
Okay, mine's my dad. Because he made enough money to basically live comfortably after being fully employed, and now does basically what he wants. And he enjoys good food and travels and has a good time.
Wow.
All right.
You're.
I can't think of anyone.
You can't take my dad.
Yeah, I was gonna say my dad. Oh, it's his birthday today, actually, 50th.
Really?
His dad or your dad?
My dad.
Okay, last question. Advice to those who want to get into the business.
Just do it. You were gonna say, don't.
He's gonna 100%
Well,
say
you know, the
that.
more people come in, the less money we earn.
You need to take
It's
unfair
not
advantages in life.
scarcity anymore,
Always try to
right?
go for unfair advantages in life, and then you will make a lot of money. But don't do this because we still have an unfair advantage.
We need to enforce the scarcity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So don't listen to us.
Okay.
That's a pretty good answer.
No, don't be scared for technology.
Yeah, for
Like,
sure.
we don't bite, and it doesn't kill you.
I guess.
Well,
And
obviously
things will
come to all
change
of our events and follow this channel.
It's actually the
Yeah.
easiest way to learn and get into it, attending events at BlockchainSpace. See, good promotion.
Well, trying to go for a beer with friends and then being
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Sell the beer. That's it.
Thank you.